when the rigidity of metal collides with the precision of technology, when the pulse of industry connects the latitude and longitude of the world. Shandong Yudong Sunshine Machine Co., Ltd. Since coming with the waves in 2006, based on craftsmanship, with service as the wings. In the field of CNC metal processing, write the global legend of Made in China. Professionalism is our strongest confidence. Sunshine has been deeply rooted in the industry for 2 decades, specializing in the research and development and manufacturing of a full range of CNC drilling machines and punching machines for steel plates, angle, channel, flat bar and beams. Sunshine equipment covers the entire scene of steel processing, injecting efficient energy into industrial production. The group has formed a technical engineer team with an average working experience of over 20 years. They deeply cultivate in the field of numerical control, witness the industry iteration, overcome countless technical difficulties with exquisite craftsmanship, from customized solution design to core component optimization, from device research and development to process upgrading. The engineer team uses the professional capabilities accumulated over 20 years, ensure stable and efficient operation of each device. Service is our longest track. With high-quality products and attentive services, our company has exported to more than 50 countries and regions around the world. There are thousands of factories in total. Provide the design, production, installation, and services of numerical control equipment. Our company has overseas service centers in many countries. Build a service network that radiates globally. Sunshine launches 24-hour online after-sales service through social media such as WeChat, WhatsApp, Zoom, and Teams. Build a seamless communication bridge. Respond to customer needs in a timely manner. Let distance no longer be an obstacle. Keep the service online all the time. Honesty as the root, innovation as the soul, and service as the foundation. This is the core of the corporate culture of Sunshine Group. For 20 years, we have always been guided by customer needs. Integrate the concept of win-win into every cooperation. From the tacit companionship of domestic factories, win the deep trust of overseas customers. From the continuous breakthroughs in technological innovation to the continuous expansion of the service network, we firmly believe the real strength of the enterprise. It is the synchronous resonance of product technology and services. Future Shandong Yudong Sunshine Machine Co., Ltd. will continue to safeguard precision with ingenuity, drive development with innovation, based on China, radiate globally, embark on a new industrial journey with the world.